again to my channel. Last week I created a video on how to create folders for your online class. Today I will be showing us how to add content to your folders. Alright, I am using edmodo.com to create my online class. If you missed my last video, you can click on the link shown below to watch the last video. To add content to your folders, step 1, you open the folders, and to open the folders I go to my library. Yes, as you can see, this is the folder I created last week. So to add content to this folder, I open the folder. Yes, as you can see, my folder is empty. To add content to this folder, I click on new. Now, as you can see here, we have options. You can either add a content through a link or add a content directly from your computer. I am going to add content to my folder using a link and also using a direct PDF file in my computer. Now, using a link right here, I have a link to a website which I like my students to be able to access. So I'll come here, copy this site, copy, come back to my Edmodo. I click on link. You paste the link here. That's the link. Then you click on title. As you can see, that is the web page I want my students to be able to access. I add link. Yes, as you can see, the link is right here in my folder. Now I can also add a content from my computer. Again, I click on new, click on file upload, choose files. Alright, the file is loading. That's it. Add files. Yes, as you can see, I have been able to add 2 files to my folders. Now the next thing is to share this folder to your class. Now to share the folder, I go back to my library. Now I want to share my new folder, chemistry folder, with my class. I come to this drop down button, click on it. You have share, I can share. Now this is a list of all my classes, but I want to share this folder with my chemistry class. So I check on it. That's it, done. That's it. Now my students in the chemistry class can easily access my chemistry folder. Now to confirm if I have this folder in my chemistry class, I will go back to my classes, class management, is to click on chemistry class. Now to check if my new folder is available for my students, I click on folders. Good. Here you can see my new folder is in class group. Now I can open my chemistry folder. Alright, so as you can see, the two materials which I added to my folder is also available for the class. So this is how you can add content to your folder and also share that content with your class. Now, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And next week, I will create another video on how you can create your virtual classroom. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe and leave a comment. Bye bye.